It's a little bit funny. Stealing inside. Oh, I'm not one of those who can easily hide over lies. I don't have much money, but boy, if I did, would buy a big house where we both could live. If I was a sculptor, no. And again, no, or a man who makes potions, and to travel and show, well, I know it's not much, but it's the best that I can do. My gift is my song, yeah, this one's for you. Oh, you can tell everybody this is your song. It may be quite simple, but now that it's time, hope you don't mind, hope you don't mind how to put down the words. How wonderful life is while you're in the world. I sat on the reef, kicked off from Mars, so a few of the verses got me quite cross. So well, the sun's been quite keen while I wrote this song. And it's for people like you that they keep them turned on. So excuse me and forget these things I do. Oh, you see, I forgot if they're green or they're blue. Oh well, anyway, the thing is what I really mean is yours are the sweetest eyes think I've ever seen. You can tell everybody this is your song. Wonderful life is while you're in the world. Hope you don't